Among the vast wonders of space, there exists a cosmic structure so bizarre that it defies the ordinary, the Red Rectangle Nebula. Let's dive into 20 shocking facts about this cosmic enigma, its discovery. The year was 1973. Astronomers Martin Cohen and Mike Merrill were on a mission, their telescopes aimed at a binary star system. They found an unexpected smudge of red light, faint but undeniably present. The Red Rectangle Nebula resides roughly 2,300 light-years away from our pale blue dot in the constellation. Monoceros light from this cosmic rectangle began its journey towards us around the time Alexander the Great was conquering the known world. The exact birthplace of the Red Rectangle Nebula remains a subject of debate. In the vast, cold emptiness of space, the Red Rectangle Nebula burns with an inner fire, radiating a striking crimson hue. This vibrant red is no accident. It's a telltale sign of extraordinary chemical reactions happening within the nebula's swirling clouds of dust and gas. These elements emit light at specific wavelengths, painting the nebula with its characteristic red palette. It's a breathtaking example of how chemistry and light intertwine to create the universe's dazzling tapestry. For years, the Red Rectangle Nebula appeared as a blurry, enigmatic rectangle, its true nature obscured by the limitations of visible light. Then, astronomers turned to the infrared spectrum, peering into the universe with instruments that could see heat signatures invisible to human eyes. The nebula's intricate structure, hidden from view in visible light, suddenly sprang to life in the infrared. Complex patterns of gas, sculpted by unseen forces, emerged from the darkness. This discovery underscored the power of infrared astronomy to unveil the universe's hidden wonders. The Red Rectangle Nebula's most striking feature, its improbable rectangular shape, is also one of its biggest mysteries. The prevailing theory points to the nebula's heart, where a binary star system, two stars locked in a celestial dance, resides. As these stars orbit each other, they churn up the surrounding gas and dust, sculpting it into the nebula's distinctive shape. However, the precise mechanics of this process remain a subject of active research. At the heart of the Red Rectangle Nebula lies a cosmic power couple, a dying star in its twilight years and a younger, more vibrant companion. This binary system is the engine that drives the nebula's spectacular light show. The dying star is shedding its outer layers into space, creating a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Meanwhile, the companion star is blasting this material with intense radiation, causing it to glow with an eerie red light. As the dying star at the heart of the Red Rectangle Nebula continues to shed its outer layers, it's on a trajectory to become something even more extraordinary, a white dwarf. White dwarfs are the stellar remnants of stars like our Sun, incredibly dense objects that pack the mass of a star into a sphere roughly the size of Earth. If the dying star does indeed transform into a white dwarf, it will add yet another layer of intrigue to the Red Rectangle Nebula. White dwarfs exert powerful gravitational forces that can have profound effects on their surroundings. The Red Rectangle Nebula occupies a rare and fleeting moment in the life cycle of stars. It's classified as a pre-planetary nebula, a transitional phase between a red giant star and a fully fledged planetary nebula. During this brief cosmic interlude, the star is shedding its outer layers, creating the spectacular nebula we see today. Eventually, the central star will run out of fuel and the nebula will slowly fade away, leaving behind a faint white dwarf. In the chaotic realm of space, where gravity and turbulence reign supreme, symmetry is often the exception, not the rule. Yet the Red Rectangle Nebula stands out as a beacon of order, its near-perfect rectangular shape a testament to some unseen organizing principle. Some speculate that magnetic fields threading through the nebula, like invisible cosmic highways, might play a role in guiding the flow of gas and dust. Others suggest that the binary system at the nebula's heart might hold the key to understanding this cosmic enigma. The Red Rectangle Nebula isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's a playground for astrochemists. Within the nebula's swirling clouds of gas and dust, astronomers have detected a surprising array of complex molecules, including hydrocarbons. It's a reminder that the universe is a master chemist, constantly experimenting with new and unexpected molecular combinations. Light, that ethereal messenger from the cosmos, carries with it a wealth of information about its origins. One such piece of information is polarization, a property of light that reveals the presence of magnetic fields. When astronomers analyzed the light from the Red Rectangle Nebula, they discovered something peculiar. It was polarized in ways that defied explanation. This suggests the presence of strong and strangely aligned magnetic fields within the nebula. Dust might seem like a rather mundane component of the universe, but in the Red Rectangle Nebula, even the dust is extraordinary. Some of the dust particles within the nebula have been found to be crystalline, meaning they possess a highly ordered geometric structure. This discovery came as a surprise to astronomers, as crystalline dust typically forms under specific temperature and pressure conditions that are not thought to be present in the nebula. The presence of crystalline dust suggests that there are processes at work that we don't yet fully understand. Imagine two colossal cosmic blowtorches, spewing out jets of gas at incredible speeds from the poles of the Red Rectangle Nebula. These bipolar jets are a common feature of young stellar objects, but their origin and driving mechanism are still not fully understood. One theory suggests that these jets are powered by the accretion disks of materials swirling around the central stars. These jets play a crucial role in shaping the surrounding nebula. The Red Rectangle Nebula isn't content to simply exist. It's expanding outwards into the cosmos at a breakneck pace. Observations have shown that the nebula is expanding much faster than similar nebulae, hinting at a more energetic and dynamic environment at its core. This rapid expansion poses a challenge for astronomers, as it suggests that the central stars are more active. While the Red Rectangle Nebula is currently expanding outwards, some researchers believe that it could eventually undergo a dramatic transformation, collapsing in on itself under the relentless pull of gravity. This collapse could lead to the formation of an even denser and more mysterious object. The Red Rectangle Nebula is a hotspot for molecular diversity, and some scientists believe that it may harbor molecules never before observed by science. Discovering new molecules in the Red Rectangle Nebula would be a major scientific breakthrough. Dark matter, that elusive substance that makes up the vast majority of the universe's mass, remains one of the biggest mysteries in modern astrophysics. Some scientists have theorized that dark matter could be playing a role in shaping the Red Rectangle Nebula's odd structure. Perhaps dark matter filaments are influencing the flow of gas and dust. The Red Rectangle Nebula's strange geometry and light patterns have led some to speculate, albeit without any scientific evidence, that it could be the product of an advanced alien civilization. While this idea is intriguing, it's important to emphasize that there is no scientific basis for it. The Red Rectangle Nebula is a treasure trove of cosmic mysteries, and astronomers continue to study it with a sense of wonder and curiosity. New telescopes and instruments are being developed all the time, promising to reveal even more about this enigmatic object. By studying the Red Rectangle Nebula, we're gaining insights into the fundamental processes that govern the life and death of stars. The Red Rectangle Nebula is not just a beautiful sight, it's a cosmic puzzle that challenges our understanding of space, time, and the forces that shape the universe. Its unique shape, enigmatic chemistry, and rapid evolution continue to baffle astronomers, reminding us that the universe is full of wonders that we've only just begun to explore.